I checked out Harrison and Hayes through their website harrisonandhayes.co.uk, which presents itself as an online store offering a wide variety of clothing and accessories for both men and women, including dresses, tops, bags, footwear, and jewelry. At first glance, the site looks decent and fairly organized, but as I dug a little deeper, I noticed a few red flags that made me pause. The site claims it's been around since 1998, but when I looked up the domain registration, it was actually created just recently in March 2025, which instantly made the credibility questionable. Then I noticed that a lot of the product images looked oddly familiar, and after some reverse image searching, it became clear they were lifted from other websites, which is never a good sign. Customer support also seems very limited. There's no phone number or live chat, only an email address, which can be frustrating if anything goes wrong with your order. And to top it off, the store has a pretty low trust score on scam checking sites like eveninsight.com, which definitely raises concerns. That said, I didn't run into any major issues during browsing, and the checkout process seemed smooth, but with all these warning signs, it's hard to say whether this is a trustworthy site or not. Overall, I'd say it sits in a gray area. It's not clearly a scam, but it's definitely not a store I'd feel fully confident recommending either.